Welcome back to our Romania series. If you're new around here, I'm Heather, this is Bradey, and we have been traveling the world full-time with our two little girls, Alexa and Chloe. Today we enjoy the city of Brasov. We try some incredible Romanian food and ride a cable car to get to the best views of the city. We are so excited. We are kicking off a new series right here in Romania. We are starting in Brasov and we are doing a 12-day trip around Transylvania, and we could not be more excited.
So we're on a self-guided trip with Romanian Thrills. They've drafted an incredible itinerary for us. Over the next 12 days, we will be driving around Transylvania, visiting some amazing castles, some beautiful cities, and we cannot wait to get started. Look at all the different colors on the buildings.
It's so pretty.
I can't hold anything with my hands like this.
What's wrong with your hands?
Yeah, we did. Do kind of cold. Kind of cold.
This town is so cute. I love it. This is absolutely adorable. I love the architecture and the square is just absolutely beautiful.
Let's take a ride. I've got the perfect place in mind. We've got an hour or so.
Look at that, it's coming out already. Ooh, yum. Ooh, yum.
Can I show you?
Have you ever seen a bread bowl like that? That's crazy.
No. This looks amazing.
Mommy,
Oh my
can you
goodness.
take
How long has it been since you've had a bread bowl anyways?
long time.
Very, I mean, at least
Like
a year. So this is, let me read it. This is bean soup with smoked ham in a bread bowl, and oh my goodness, this is the coolest bread bowl I think I've ever seen.
Diving in already.
What did you get, Alexa?
The Transylvanian soup.
Transylvanian
Fancy.
soup.
It's very delicious. What kind of? Down my butt.
That's delicious.
And then it wouldn't be
I'm gonna have to
the winter season without a hot chocolate.
It tastes like warm chocolate pudding. Like it's so rich and creamy, and oh my goodness, it's delicious.
You're right. Kind of does taste like pudding.
Got a place that feels like home. No matter where we roam.
So we only have about 2 days in Brașov, which I already wish we had more because it's just such a beautiful, picturesque city. But right now we are headed up to the cable car to get a good look over top of the city.
I think it's better to walk backwards than forward.
Yeah, better walk forwards.
Yeah, you're right.
Option 1, climb a mountain for an hour and a half. Option 2, ride a cable car. What do you choose?
Cable car.
Cable car? Ah, that seems boring.
All right, Daddy, we'll meet you at the top.
You can see foxes up here.
And bears. I really hope we see a bear on this trip.
I hope we see a fox.
A fox and a bear. Not a bad view, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Think you work for it though.
Forever I'll live, forever I'll
They have magic. This is hard.
How are you gonna hold that with gloves?
I don't know. There.
forever I'll be, forever alone.
First try.
Days and nights, skin and bone. Forever this town, forever my car. Forever this night, forever these stars. Forever I live, forever unknown.
Sign that says the city's name, and it's right there.
Whoa, there it is.
Yeah.
Cool.
Last night we saw a big sign that said Brasov, and there it is.
How
we have taken a cable car up to this viewpoint, and we're actually right behind the Brasov sign, and it's pretty cool up here. It's an amazing view. This is an absolutely beautiful city.
You can kind of see the black church down there in the square, and it's just absolutely beautiful with all of the red colored roofs. We are currently on a walking tour of Brașov, which is fascinating to learn the history. I didn't realize that this city has been around since the 5th century BC, but just to hear how it's changed hands and how it's impacted the architecture and why all of these buildings are so colorful, it's just been very, very interesting. So behind me is the Black Church, which is one of the most impressive architectural structures in Brașov. Originally it was designed as a Gothic church, but it was destroyed by a fire. So the reason it's called a Black Church is because there was a massive fire in Brașov, and it actually killed about a third of the population, destroyed the majority of the city, and all of the fire, the smoke, turned the entire church black, and it took about 100 years to restore it.
Hello.
Is it hot chocolate time yet? What do you think about that?
Oh,
This is cool.
it's so small.
So this is one of the smallest streets in all of Europe, which is crazy. Chloe, can you touch both sides?
Probably not. Oh, almost. Oh, there you go.
But I can climb up it.
Chloe, move out of the way so Di doesn't fall on you.
I feel like there were some streets in Venice that were this size.
They're definitely in, we've
At least
been in
close
places
to
in Italy that were tight like this.
That's cool though.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes.
What? You want to see how many potatoes are? I'm so excited. This place looks so nice.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my
I
goodness.
only this oven.
There's an actual wood fire
There's
stove.
a wood fireplace.
This is mommy and daddy's bed. This is our bed. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This place is
Girl.
incredible.
TV. This is our bed.
Look at the ceiling.
You see the brick ceilings?
This is beautiful.
This is Alexa's in my room.
Is this your room? Yeah, I think that sounds like a good
It's-
plan.
It's huge.
And
It's
then
beautiful.
we both have little places to put our stuff.
Yeah.
You have a stove.
I'm gonna warm that up, maybe warm up our coffee in the morning. I'm guessing it's just for
I
looks,
think it's just for show.
but yeah.
That's beautiful though. Tea. Ooh, peppermint tea. Oh, we love peppermint tea, English breakfast tea.
I'm gonna have mint tea.
Yeah, me
Peppermint
too.
tea.
Maybe tonight we can have a little mint tea.
I never tried both of those teas.
Ooh, oh man, look at this bathroom.
It's a fancy shower.
Oh my goodness, that looks amazing.
Okay, stop. This is the ending of the show.
This hotel was built inside of an old mansion, and breakfast is just right next door.
You forget how teeny it is.
Yeah. And it's frozen.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Can I eat it?
Can you eat it? No, it's gross.
Delicious.
How did our car get so small?
Doesn't fit.
What are you trying?
My backpack in there. It's not gonna fit.
Yeah, put it underneath Chloe's feet.
Okay.
Our car is way too small.
So small. You guys are so silly.
Daddy, I made a little window for Daddy. What a fussy good day.
Oh, this is the one right there.
I'm taking pictures from my world album.
Yeah.
Alexa had an idea of taking her Kindle everywhere to take pictures so that she can make an album. It's a nice view.
Yeah.
So we have left Brașov and are heading to Sighișoara. We have stopped at Rupea. Sighișoara. No idea how to say it. We have stopped at Rupea Fortress and are kind of hiking and climbing around, trying to warm up.
Wow, look at this.
It's so narrow.
So cool.
This is gonna be easy for me to get through. Look, Daddy.
It's awesome,
Careful,
isn't it?
okay?
It's crazy how narrow this is. Hey. That's graffiti.
No, it isn't.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
You ready to go?
So on my Kindle, I can do editing with pictures that I take. And for my album, I say, welcome to this place. And I did, welcome to Rupea.
Buddy, I love that. That's such a beautiful picture, too.
I always put an emoji next to it.
Thanks so much for watching. Next week we head to the city of Sighișoara, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. I feel like we just might have to never leave. We live here now.
No, we don't.